Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Airbus backs landing zones to expand Canadian drone threat simulation and allied UAS unmanned aircraft system training services. Airbus Defence and Space has signed a strategic partnership with landing zones to expand advanced uncrewed aerial system training in Canada. The agreement includes an Airbus investment and a seat on Landing Zone's board of directors. The deal was signed at the Farnborough International Airshow. It is aimed at expanding simulation capabilities and training services in the Canadian market. Landing Zones is thrilled to welcome Airbus as a strategic partner alongside the Business Development Bank of Canada's investment through the Strong North Fund, said Spence Fraser, founder and CEO of Landing Zones. This strategic investment accelerates our world-leading threat emulation technologies focused on modern drone threats proliferating on today's battlefields. By combining Airbus's global expertise with our agile Canadian capabilities, we will provide highly realistic and relevant, large-scale simulation solutions for Canada and its allies, enabling rapid development of complex and representative battlefield scenarios while strengthening sovereign Canadian capabilities. The partnership gives Airbus a closer role in a Canadian company focused on modern drone threat emulation. It also gives Landing Zones access to Airbus expertise and a wider defense services network. Airbus is proud to partner with Landing Zones, making our investment in this pioneering Canadian UAS company the latest addition to Airbus' extensive footprint in the country, said Jean-Brice Dumont, head of air power at Airbus Defence and Space. This collaboration brings new strategic live training simulation capabilities with advanced glide targets and expands our training services across North America. Together we will deliver essential, advanced real-world system verification capabilities against emerging threats, directly supporting Canada and its allies in preparing for the complex, drone-heavy battlefields of today and tomorrow. Airbus and Landing Zones said the work will combine European experience with Canadian local presence. The aim is faster development of solutions for large-scale battlefield simulation across Canada. Landing Zones will also act as a dedicated representative for Airbus Defence and Space Services in Canada. That role links the company to Airbus training and services activity in the country. The investment supports Airbus commitments under Canada's Industrial and Technological Benefits Policy. Those commitments are tied to the Strategic Tanker Transport Capability Acquisition Program. The STTC program includes for new Airbus A330 multirole tanker transport aircraft. It also includes the conversion of 5 used A330-200 aircraft. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.